Welcome to this series exploring how Onshape differs from other 3D parametric design tools. This video focuses on project and design data management. This includes organizing the team in your company, where to store your data, and the design aspect of your projects. Onshape was built with a robust data management platform as its foundation, which means from day one, all of your intellectual property will be secured and managed as you design. And because Onshape is completely cloud native, your data can be securely accessed from any device with an internet connection. There's never any complex software to install, ever. Let's start by looking at how to organize your company and the people who will participate in the design process. This starts from the same web environment that you will design in. There's no separate data management tool or add-ons to worry about. You can simply start by adding individual contributors or by leveraging single sign-on services such as Active Directory. As users are created, you can assign them to teams based on their role to better manage their access to your company's data. This includes whether they can view, edit, share, comment, or delete. With users and teams defined, you will also want to create project folders to store and structure your data. These can range from libraries for standard components, individual product lines, or unique projects. The choice is yours. When creating projects, you can use the roles and teams defined before to provide access to each of these projects, ensuring everyone who needs to participate in the design workflow has the correct access. You may also want to invite users outside of your organization to participate in different aspects of the design process. For example, including clients in the review process or contractors that may need to work on specific areas of a design. You have full control over this on a project-by-project or document-by-document basis. Speaking of documents, it's important to understand the document in Onshape and how it's fundamentally different from nearly every other design tool. Technically, there are no files in Onshape to manage. There are just documents. Think of documents as project-level containers where you store all of your data. These can be parts, assemblies, drawings, or any other type of project information, such as images and PDFs, perfect for spec sheets, decals, and other related information. All of these separate components will be contained within tabs in the document. To make managing and accessing this data easier, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the tab manager in the lower left-hand corner. This provides an easily sortable and searchable way to find the different parts, assemblies, and drawings within each document. As you are building your designs and assemblies, this single document makes it simple to quickly insert sketches, parts, and other assemblies into other parts and assemblies. You don't have to spend time searching for an existing component. Everything contained within the current document is easily accessible for reuse and incorporating into any part of your designs. However, you will inevitably need to reuse components and standard content from other sources throughout your company. You can always reference components in other documents. Onshape does make it easy to search and filter for existing content based on your needs and insert those components as easily as the components within this document, ensuring you can design the way you want. Documents significantly streamline the file management part of the design process, but a typical question is, when all of the data is stored within a single document, how do multiple people work on the same project? This is ultimately one of the best parts of Onshape. Its unique architecture allows any number of users to work on the same document at the same time in real time. This allows for an unprecedented level of collaboration, which will be covered in its own video. Finally, with Onshape Enterprise, you can capture analytics of all the work being done within your organization to gain insights into project status, release processes, and when and where work is being performed across the entire organization. As you've seen, Onshape changes the way you manage your project from the organizational level down to the project level, providing easy access from anywhere, allowing you to include the right stakeholders in the correct projects in real time.